This is a Gurudwara and this is the hall, Pangat Hall, where everybody come to eat. Not There's a special thing, there's no discrimination between any caste, any gender, any region across the world. So this is run by a Sikh community in India, all across India in fact, and that's how they treat everybody across the India and also abroad. So something for Indians to be proud of. Curry, chawal, dal, pani. I also got a chance to serve all of them. I wanted to do this for a long time. Today is the day. So I'm actually happy. Because if you're receiving something, you got to be giving something as well. That's how it is. You get nothing for free. That's how it works. You see that lady over there? It's a small farm next to the river. She's working. How amazing! How amazing! So we are on our way to Kasol, the town Kasol, which is a very beautiful town in Himachal Pradesh. It's very famous for its hippie culture and music scene. So I'm going to explore that. We're stuck in a traffic jam right now.
राहतों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारों दिल के हम अमीर हैं। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है,
We're doing a quick jamming here with all big shots. Everybody is colonel, major, whatever. And they're pursuing their dreams. Wow, love to see it. These dogs are meeting each other for the first time. I think they are meeting each other, saying hello. Both are some kind of huskies. That's all I know from the owners here. They are some kind of huskies. That's why they're excited, I think, to meet each other, to say hello. This is outskirts of Kasol, by the way. This is, you can see Parvati Nadi, so it comes under Parvati Valley here, and this is very nearby to to the hostel I'm staying at, which is Hogwarts Hostel. So it's just like 2 minutes of walk. It's worth coming. So these are my hostel mates, and they are too. See you guys. भैया छोज किस तरफ है? ये पुल के साथ, पुल पे? ओके. So I'm just walking from the last village. I forget the names. I'm so bad with names. So the village was Kasol, and now I'm going to Choj, like you just saw on the signboard. And I'm just noticing, I just have my bag on, I'm walking, and this is it. You just walk from one village to another. There's I have, by the way, no knowledge about this village. I'm just walking. I've just heard the name from a couple of locals here, and it was like hardly 3 kilometers of walk, and you're walking with this view. I mean, what else do you need in life? Just we need to feel a little secure about ourselves and follow what we feel like doing without any fears. And that is it, if you know what I mean, right? If you know what I mean. Peace. Forgot to show my happy face with this view. And my choti or chodaiya. Love it. Just walk from one place to another without any fears. No ego. Just exploring, just inquisitive about things. That's all we need for, at least that's all I need for. Think about it. This is Manikaran, guys. It's a small town called Manikaran, very close to the village Kasol and Choj. So this river is Parvati River, and you can see the Gurudwara next to the river, on the banks of it. This is the parking over here for people who are residing with them. So they also have rooms, they also have stay options for people who want to stay here. This is the Gurudwara, and you will see such Gurudwaras in a lot of places across India and outside. So they provide free food and stay options, and that's just what they have in their religion, to serve others in need. And I'm really proud of it that they think like this. You see over there, it's called Hot Water Spring. So it's very famous in Manikaran. This Gurudwara is basically Manikaran Sahib, and this is the hot water pool. So you can take a dip if you want, but right now it's too hot, so it doesn't make sense. Beautiful. You see, guys, this is a very unique idol of Bhagwan Shiv, Lord Shiv, in a position of dancing. He is dancing right now. As far as I know, he's doing his famous dance form, which is his form is called Nataraj. So this is one of his forms where he dances. Otherwise, he's always seen meditating, but here he can be seen dancing. And this is Nandi. This is that hot water spring I was talking about. Another hot water spring, and you can see people from all religions. So in the same compound there is a Gurudwara and a mandir as well. So if you don't know, Gurudwara is a place of worship for Sikhs and temple is for Hindus. You can see all religions are here, which is a great thing, which India is famous for. Keep following.
धीरे धीरे में रोक दिया। उस पंछी को उड़ने से खतरा था, वो पंछी उड़ने से मरता। फिर एक शाम जो मैं लौटा घर, वो पिंजरा वहीं पे धरा था। उस पंछी को उड़ने से रोक दिया, वो पंछी को पिंजरे में मरा था।
So good. Such a great कविता by आपका नाम क्या ना? By Shubham. Now we are thinking of, we have other people also. So now I'm going to talk to him and convince him for a song so that we can do something together and make something. This is what I like to do. So that's what I'm traveling for as well. I got this group on a chai shop, paratha shop, and I'm trying to talk to them and crack a deal. Happy faces. My trainer. And here is me on a dole. बाबू अपना नाम क्या है? आप कहाँ से हो? लुधियाना से। This guy Arun, right? क्या नाम है?
Ajay.
Ajay is my dhol trainer for tonight, for this day, and he is the second trainer, and I'm the one trying to learn dhol here with my friend. Tell you Adarsh and Woo! Where are we standing? Kasol, Chalal की ओर जाते वक्त. We are moving towards Chalal from Kasol. Let's see how it goes. Woo! Good evening, guys. This is 6:45 p.m. in Himachal Pradesh. Somewhere between Chalal and Rasol. So we started off from Kasol. We were in Choj, came to Kasol, started trekking. First checkpoint was Chalal. We crossed Chalal. Now we are trekking up to Rasol. I started with 2 people, but seems like they're very fast and they are way ahead of me, right? So yeah, I'll continue my search for this village Rasol. See you, peace. This is a spring, guys. Natural spring, fresh water, tasty. I have found a guest house here. I have not yet reached Rasol, which is few kilometers hike from Kasol and Choj as well. If you like greenery, water on the side, this trek is for you. Hardly would take 2 hours to 3 hours, no matter how slow you go. So I think I'm gonna try this and then move up tomorrow possibly for Rasol, because I'm too tired for today. You can see I can barely talk. Yeah, see you. Tiranga, by the way. This is another homestay here on the way to Rasol. This is Magic Saksham Homestay. Looks good, but nobody's there. And it's a very surreal experience here for me. I always have seen these places, maybe on TV or imagined, and I always thought, I wish I could sit here with nobody. And look at it. Look at now. It is the exact same day that I dreamt for. Like there's nobody over there. It's a proper establishment, but alone, just dead silence. Nature's talking, river is flowing. This is real surreal. I don't know if I make sense to you, but yeah, that's what I feel right now. Oh my god. Wait for it. Look at this. My god. There's nobody again. This deserted place. Seems like nobody lives here. They must have lived here like not so long ago. Again surreal. There's nobody right now. I'm just alone on myself. Everybody is ahead of me, and I am getting the chance to explore this deserted place, which I love, by the way. I don't know what is the kick that I get. This is it. Cheers. Guys, this is so exciting. So this is a place in this village called Rasol. Few kilometers trek from Kasol through Chalal. And so this building is under construction, and we have our people who are the builders, the mason, and they live in a room here. I'll just go and show their room. They live in the same room and they cook. On one side they have beds, on the other side. It's really interesting, and they are really happy. I'll just this is so interesting. Okay, bye. Last night we stayed at a homestay at Rasol. No, this was day before. Today morning, afternoon in fact, I climbed further in the village. I'm seeing is it there anymore for village to show. So yeah, it's again a tough hike. This guy with us. भैया आपका नाम क्या है? हाँ? दूनी भाई. So we are with Dooni bhai, and he's taking us to his hometown. Let's continue. Maybe 5 more minutes. But this is definitely better than what we stayed at last 2 nights. This is better. But I couldn't have done it the same day. I needed some rest. It's just a glimpse of how these people lead their life. I think everybody should try this once at least to get an idea of how it actually feels to have a life like them. So yeah, cheers.
ऐसा है, अदरवाइज क्या बोल सकते, रोड भी नहीं है तो थोड़ा मुश्किल है भाई जी।
ये तो है।
हाँ, अभी बीमार बमूर हो के कभी अचानक हो जाते हैं, उसको फिर हमारे को रात को 12 बजे भी उठा के ही ले जाना पड़ता है।
बाप रे, कहाँ तक? नीचे
नीचे छाल तक भाई जी।
फिर गाड़ी मिलती है?
छाल से कभी सोल से मिलेगी।
अच्छा।
हाँ जी, टागला से।
Yeah.
मतलब कभी कभी 2 बजे ऐसा हुआ कि 100 बार तो आदमी को हम लोग उठा के ले जाते हैं नीचे ऊपर। हार्ड है,
Yeah,
बहुत हार्ड लाइफ है भाई।
indeed. This guy is telling how he faces different scenarios on a daily basis. He just said sometimes it has happened that he's taken somebody at 2 o'clock in the morning, and a patient, I mean, and they had to, carry him on his shoulders to take him all along, which is like to trek down, which is almost 2 hours from this place. So imagine if you have a hospital, if you want to go to a hospital and you have to, trek for 2-3 hours. This is what they are. The roads, by the way, that he was talking about. अच्छा, सिर्फ यही होता है?
और भी होता है।
These are the tiny small farms of marijuana, which is not grown, just for your information, not grown purposely. This is just natural. In these climates, these trees tend to grow a lot, and that's what they use, in my opinion. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what they use to make, all the substances that people would need to for recreation purposes and for whatever else. So yeah, I just wanted to show you. किस आपकी बंदूक है ये?
हाँ।
कौन सी मॉडल, क्या है?
देसी।
देसी है?
हाँ।
तो इसको किस पे चलाते हैं?
इसको?
हाँ।
इसको पता नहीं मेरे को नहीं।
अगर मैंने ज्यादा बात किया तो शायद मुझी पे।
पुलिस चौकी ले गए इसको।
हाँ, अच्छा, ठीक है, नमस्ते आंटी जी। So local ladies here enjoying carrying a gun so casually. Not ready to tell more about what it is about. Anyway, so I'm climbing down now. I'm going down to this village again, back to Kasol. First Chalal and then Kasol. I'm gonna hit Chalal for like maybe 30 minutes from now. Let's see. And yeah, Kasol maybe in an hour, more than an hour or so. So yeah, that's the plan. Then I'll take a halt maybe in Choj for one day, then I'll continue, because I've done this trek. This was really good. This was Kasol to Rasol. Good one. See you. मुस्कुरा कर मिली थी मुझे जिंदगी, तेरी आगोश में दिन थे मेरे कटे, तेरी यादों में थी तेरी यादें हंसी। वो आज भी जब वो मंजर नजर आते हैं, दिल की वीरानियों वो मिटा जाते हैं। दर्द में भी ये लब We finally reached this village, on the top of the village, which is Rasol village, where we stayed last 2 nights. Was an maybe you can call it a outskirt of Rasol village, but this is how it looks. It's not, you can see the density of houses and stuff, so that's how you know this is the 0 kilometer of the Rasol village. I'm still confused if I'm gonna stay here or go back down till Kasol and Choj. Let's see. I have my stuff down there, and I'm, part of my head is occupied over there. See you.